One of the greatest challenges in language learning is speaking. Language learners at every level are always in search of ways to improve their speaking skills. Why speaking is so challenging? The reasons are many. Some people believe that they can't come up with answers to speaking questions, even in their native language. Some lack self-confidence, fear judgment, and constantly compare themselves to others. For some, sentence structure and applying grammar rules and new vocabulary can be quite difficult. Even more challenging is finding a native speaker who can be your speaking partner and practice with you consistently. In this video, I want to show you how you can utilize the power of Microsoft's most advanced artificial intelligence service to enhance your speaking, regardless of your current level. Whether you are preparing for a specific exam or just looking to improve your general speaking skills, Bing can address all your speaking challenges in one place. To achieve this, all you need to do is create a Microsoft account and run Bing from your smartphone or Edge browser. Bing is a completely free service that uses the remarkable capabilities of ChatGPT-4. It can act as your native speaking partner and a professional teacher at the same time. As you already know, the key to improving speaking is consistent practice. We have to engage in conversations with someone and trying to speak about various topics at any given time. Your goal is to blend all words and grammar you've learned into real-life scenarios. At the same time, you need to listen to your conversation partner and formulate proper responses. Bing makes this process very easy for you. Bing accommodates your practice needs and provides insights whenever you're available. It helps you advance your conversation skills and take them to the next level. To begin, you can use prompts like this. Help me practice my English. Let's have a conversation about who is your hero in life in a casual tone.
Hello, this is Bing. I'm happy to help you practice your English. Let's talk about our heroes in life. A hero is someone who inspires you, motivates you, or helps you in some way. Who is your hero in life and why?
Actually, I think I admire my parents. They are very hardworking and supportive. I think my parents are my heroes.
That's wonderful. Your parents sound like amazing people. I'm sure they are very proud of you. What are some of the things that your parents do that inspire you or motivate you?
You can even ask Bing to correct your sentences and suggest better versions, just like a teacher. Help me practice my English. Let's have a conversation where every time I make a mistake, you first correct me before continuing the conversation. Let's talk about whether it's more beneficial to go to college or to study online via YouTube courses. You start the conversation.
Sure, I'd be happy to help you practice your English. Let's start our discussion. In recent years, the debate between traditional college education and online learning has become increasingly relevant. Some people argue that attending college provides a structured learning environment and opportunities for networking. Others believe that online platforms like YouTube offer flexibility and a wide range of resources at a lower cost. What are your thoughts on this?
I believe online platforms offer a better chance of education because they are almost always free and they do not charge people a lot. Also, they teach practical concepts more easily and they are more straightforward.
You're right that online platforms can offer a more affordable and practical approach to education. However, there's a small correction in your sentence. Instead of saying, "They do not charge people a lot," it would be more accurate to say, "They do not charge people as much as traditional colleges." Also, instead of "They teach practical concepts more easily," you could say "They teach practical concepts more easily." Continuing our discussion, while online platforms can be more cost-effective and practical, traditional colleges often provide a comprehensive curriculum and opportunities for in-person networking and collaboration. How do you think these aspects compare to the benefits of online learning?
Nowadays, Most users surf the internet via their smartphones. The Bing app provides convenient access, eliminating the need for laptops or browsers. This way, you can practice speaking while walking in the park or during times you have nothing to do on the subway. You can tailor your conversation with this AI to your specific needs. Whether you want to practice for IELTS exam or expand your vocabulary, Bing is here to help. It offers 3 conversation styles for you to choose from. Creative mode generates longer, more creative sentences suitable for general conversations. Precise mode generates shorter sentences with accurate information. Balance mode strikes a middle ground between creativity and precision. Remember, one of the best ways to improve speaking is by building confidence while talking. Bing helps boost your confidence, so you can easily speak with a wide range of phrases and vocabulary. To get to know the power of AI in language learning and get daily exclusive content, follow us everywhere.